Assalamu alaikum students. So today we will discuss the MCQs of the chapter enzymes. So question number 1, which level of protein structure maintain the helix shape of enzymes? Option A primary, option B secondary, option C tertiary, option D quaternary, option E both A and B. जो enzymes का structure होता है वो जो helix होता है वो सेकेंडरी मेंटेन करती है. ऑप्शन बी इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ये क्वेश्चन एंजाइम्स में भी है लेकिन ये क्वेश्चन बायोलॉजिकल मॉलिक्यूल्स के चैप्टर में भी आता है, उसके एमसीक्यूज में भी कंसीडर किया जाता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, एन एंजाइम इंक्रीज द स्पीड ऑफ अ रिएक्शन. ऑप्शन ए बाय एडिंग एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी रिक्वायरमेंट्स, ऑप्शन बी बाय लोअरिंग एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी, ऑप्शन सी बाय डिक्रीजिंग द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स, ऑप्शन डी बाय इंक्रीजिंग द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स, ऑप्शन ई ऑल ऑफ द अबोव. ये बुक की लाइन है, सो इट्स करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी द बी बाय लोअरिंग एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी रिक्वायरमेंट्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, hollow enzymes consist of option A apoenzyme and prosthetic group, option B proenzyme and prosthetic group, option C coenzyme and prosthetic group, option D proenzyme and apoenzyme, option E apoenzyme and coenzyme. So its correct option is A apoenzyme and prosthetic group. Question number 4, the biological catalysts are called option A proteins, option B carbohydrates, option C vitamins, option D minerals, option E enzymes. So enzymes are known as the biological catalyst. Question number 5, hydrogen peroxide is highly toxic substance. In the liver it is broken down to the hydrogen and oxygen by an enzyme. Option A amylase, option B transferase, option C catalase, option D lipase, option E trypsin. So its correct option is C catalase. Question number 6, which of the following statement about the enzymes kinetics is false? इनमें से कौन सी statement है जो गलत है? So in option E, in increase in substrate concentration at constant enzyme concentration leads to proportional increase in the rate of reaction. ये statement बिल्कुल सही है. Option B, most enzyme operating in the human body work best at a temperature of 37 degree. ये भी सही है, ये तो बिल्कुल ठीक ऑप्शन है. An enzyme, option C, an enzyme is generally inactivated rapidly by exposure to UV light. बिल्कुल ठीक है. Option D, competitive inhibitors reduce the productivity of enzyme by blocking the substrate from entering active site. Statement B ठीक है. हमें वो स्टेटमेंट ढूंढनी है जो गलत है. इनमें से सारी स्टेटमेंट सही है, सो ऑप्शन ई नन ऑफ दीज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, एट 0 सेंटीग्रेड द enzymatic activities, option E completely stopped, option B as maximum, option C decreased to 50%, option E none of the following. So its correct option is D reduced to minimum. Question number 8, in acetyl coenzyme, the coenzyme a sulfur containing compound is derived from. ये काफ़ी repeated question है. Option A vitamin A, option B vitamin D, option C vitamin B, option D minerals. So its correct option is option C vitamin B. Move to the next question. Question number 9, the location of an enzyme where a substrate bind is called. Option A binding site, option B reaction center, option C allosteric site, option D lock and key model, option E active site. ये फिंगर टिप्स पे होना चाहिए, इसका आंसर है E एक्टिव साइट. बुक लाइन है. ये सारी एंजाइम की जितने भी एमसीक्यूज है वो सारे के सारे बुक लाइन से, सो अपने पे फोकस करें, थोड़ा लाइन्स सही से पढ़ें ताकि आपको याद होनी चाहिए. एमसीक्यूज आए तो आप लोग झट से कर लें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, द फंक्शन ऑफ एंजाइम इज टू. Option A cause chemical reaction state would not otherwise take place. Option B change the rate of chemical reaction. Option C change the direction of reaction. Option D rise the activation energy. Option E none of these. So its correct option is B change the rate of. So question number 12, if temperature is reduced to near or below freezing point, enzymes become denatured, dormant, renatured, all of the following. So Its correct option is B. Question number 13. Which of the following is not an enzyme? इनमें से कौन सा एंजाइम नहीं है? Polymerase, hydroxylase, isomerase or enzymate. So इनमें से कौन सा एंजाइम नहीं है? So enzymate is not a enzyme. Question number 14. When a prosthetic group join with enzyme, it forms. जब prosthetic group मिलता है एंजाइम से तो क्या बनता है? ऑप्शन ए कोफैक्टर बनता है, ऑप्शन बी कोएंजाइम बनता है, होलो एंजाइम बनता है, अपो एंजाइम बनता है. सो क्या बनता है? होलो एंजाइम बनता है. सी ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. ऑप्टिमम पीएच फॉर एंजाइम पेप्सिन ऑफ स्टोमक इज. ऑप्शन ए 7, ऑप्शन बी 3, ऑप्शन सी 1.4, ऑप्शन डी 4.5. सो इट्स करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी, बुक लाइन 1.4. Question number 16. The specificity of enzyme is due to. Option E high M.W, ये short form कुछ लिखा हुआ है. Option B hydrogen bonding, pH sensitivity. Option D surface configuration. Option E all of the following. ये question repeated है, so surface configuration is the right answer. ये question हमने पहले भी किया है. इसका ये मतलब है कि हर year में ये question repeat हुआ है. Question number 17. Which of the following factor affect the enzyme activity? Temperature, pH, concentration of substrate, radiations, या ये सब, all of the following. So its correct option is all of the following. At about dash temperature, certain heat shock proteins are produced in plant body. 40 centigrade, 50 centigrade, 30 centigrade, 35 centigrade. So its correct option is 40 centigrade. It's mentioned in the textbook. Question number 19. An enzyme increases the speed of a reaction. Option E by adding activation energy requirement, by lowering activation energy requirement, by decreasing the concentration of products. ये जो क्वेश्चन है वो सेम रिपीटेड है. सो बाय द lowering the activation energy. Question number 20. Some enzymes require the pressure of a non-protein molecule to behave catalytically. An enzyme devoid of this molecule is called as. Option A holoenzyme, apoenzyme. Option B apoenzyme. Option C coenzyme. Option D zymoenzyme. So its correct option is apoenzyme. B is the correct option. So here is a statement. The diagram shows a metabolic pathway. And ये एक statement दी गई है. फिर पूछा गया है what would be the effect of the adding a small amount of non-competitive inhibitor of a enzyme to. So आपने पढ़ा होगा competitive and a non-competitive. Let's go to the options. Option A enzyme 2 would be a partially denatured. Option B substrate X would increase in concentration. Option C substrate Y would no longer be formed. Option D the initial reactant would no longer be metabolized. Option E the effect would be negligible. So its option will be the correct option will be the C. Substrate Y would not be longer be formed. Question number 22. The gland known as gland of emergence. Option A pituitary, option B adrenal, option C thyroid, option D parathyroid, option E pancreas. इनमें से कौन सा emergency gland है? So adrenal is known as the gland of emergency. Question number 23. The autonomic nervous system controls all of the following activities except. Option A digestive system, digestion of food, heartbeat, it means cardio, and contraction of a pupil of eye, thought, breathing rate. So इनमें से जो correct option है वो है thought. D option is the correct option. Question number 24. The following statements are about the enzymes. They are globular proteins. They are inhibited by competitive inhibitors. They are formed in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. They are only found attached to plasma membrane in the cell. Which statement are correct for all enzymes? So 1 and 2 only. Option C is the correct option. Because देखें कि ऑप्शन ए में लिखा हुआ है दे आर ग्लोबुलर प्रोटीन्स. सारे प्रोटीन एंजाइम्स जो ग्लोबुलर होते हैं, ठीक है. इनहेबिटेड बाय द कॉम्पिटेटिव बिल्कुल ठीक है, लेकिन दे आर फॉर्म्ड बाय स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. यहीं से भी पता लग जाता है कि जो प्रोटीन्स होते हैं वो स्मूथ नहीं रफ से बनते हैं, रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम से बनते हैं. जैसे ER endoplasmic reticulum के two types हैं, RER, SER means rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. rough से बनते हैं proteins and SER से बनते हैं means smooth से बनते हैं lipids. उनमें जो main difference होता है वो ribosomes का होता है. So move to the next question 25. Enzyme carbonic anhydrase in RBCs help in DH transportation. Oxygen, iron, calcium, carbon dioxide. So it helps in carbon dioxide. Question number 26. What is the characteristics of all catalysts? Option A, they are broken down in a reaction. They are made of protein. They are not changed by the reaction. They can't change the rate of reaction. So its correct option is C. They are not changed by the reaction. Question number 27. The specificity of an enzyme is due to. This question is continuously repeating since many years. So its correct option is surface configuration. Question number 28. If an enzyme is reduced to near or below freezing point, enzyme become. ये 2003 में question आया है. Options are denature, renature, dormant, activate. So its correct option is dormant. This is also the repeated question, जो कि पहले भी आ चुका है फिर रिपीट भी हुआ. Lock and key model of enzyme action proposed by M.L. Fisher suggests that enzymes are unbiased for substrate. Enzymes are restricted to one reaction type. Option C, an enzyme can catalyze variety of enzymes or reactions. Option D, when substrate combined with an enzyme it induce change in enzyme structure. The change enables the enzymes to perform its catalytic activity. So its correct option is B. Enzymes are restricted to one reaction type. Most enzymes have optimum temperature at around, ये 2020 में क्वेश्चन आया है जब PMC ने कंडक्ट किया था. So 40. This is the repeated question. ये पहले भी आ चुका है, हमने पहले ही सोल्व किया था. Enzyme work by lowering dash of the following that catalyze. Option A, kinetic energy. Option B, activation energy. Option C, heat energy. Option D, potential energy. So its correct option is B, activation energy. Book line. The inhibitor of key enzyme in nervous system 2022 में आया ये question. Option A, calcium potassium. Option B, substrate activator. Option C is hexokinase glucose. Option D, magnesium manganese. Option E, pesticides DDT and parathion. So its correct option is E. So move to the question number 33. Its enzymes are generally inactivated rapidly by exposure of the UV high wavelength and beta rays because it alerts the 2022 का question है. Option A, quantity of enzyme. Option B, pH of the enzyme, shape of the enzyme, temperature of the enzyme, nature of the enzyme. So its correct option is C, shape of the enzyme. A coenzyme constitute about certain % of portion of entire enzyme. Book line, it's 1%, and this is the most common and repeated question of MDCAT. When a substrate combined active site and enzyme, it include a conformational change that enable enzyme perform. Option A, analytical function. Option B, metabolism. Option C, meiosis. Option D, mitosis. Option E, catalytic function. So its correct option is the catalytic function. Question number 36. Each enzyme is a dimple or groove in a specific site. This is a book line, and this was also repeated in 2023. Its options are A, cofactor. Option B, active site. Option C, non-active site. Option D, substrate. Option E, prosthetic group. So its correct option is B, active site is the correct option.